Good morning, students. Today we shall learn about symmetry. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line can be drawn on it to show that both sides of the shapes are exactly the same. The image, which can be divided into identical halves, are called symmetrical. कोई फिगर हो और हम लोग उसमें एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दें और ये लाइन इमेज को, फिगर को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में, टू आइडेंटिकल इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दें। मीन्स अगर आप इसको फोल्ड करें तो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट ओवरलैप करें तो ये फिगर कैसे होंगे? सिमेट्रिकल होंगे. ओके, सो इन दिस टेम्पल यू कैन सी इफ यू ड्रॉ ए लाइन, if you draw a line like this and fold them, then they overlap. Okay, then they overlap to themselves, so these figures are called symmetrical, and this figure has symmetry, and this line is known as line of symmetry. This line is known as line of symmetry. Okay, line of symmetry, any line splitting a shape into two parts such that the two parts are the same is called the line of symmetry. तो सिमेट्री की डेफिनेशन से ही आ गया कि अगर किसी फिगर को हम लोग टू आइडेंटिकल इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं तो वो सिमेट्रिकल होंगे, और जिस लाइन से हम लोग उसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. सो हियर ये जो डॉटेड लाइन है, this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. Next, it is not necessary that a figure has only one line of symmetry, so there can be multiple line of symmetry. Some shapes have only one line of symmetry, just like this butterfly. Some have two line of symmetry, लाइक टू लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री का एग्जाम्पल एक रेक्टेंगल है. ओके, आप इस तरीके से डिवाइड करेंगे तो देयर आर टू लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, मतलब इन दो लाइन से करेंगे. इफ़ यू ड्रॉ दीज टू लाइन्स ऑन रेक्टेंगल, these line divide the rectangle into two equal parts. Okay, so there can be three or more line of symmetry. So a square have four line of symmetry, a equilateral triangle have three line of symmetry, और इसी तरीके से similarly circle have uncountable line of symmetry. So there can be multiple line of symmetry in some figures. Okay, so your activities is find the number of line of symmetry for each of the following shape. You have to find the line of symmetry, how many line of symmetry can draw in the following figures: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your answer should be that. So ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. यू विल ड्रॉ दिस फिगर ऑन अ A4 साइज पेपर और ऑन अ file paper, then draw line of symmetry and count them. For an example, this is the figure of a toy. So how many line of symmetry can be drawn on it? In this way, only one. So possible line of, you will write possible line of symmetry equal to 1. Okay, so this is your activity. You have to draw this figure and draw line of symmetry, then count them. These figure have more than one. Some figure have only one line of symmetry, some figure has no line of symmetry, then you write answer 0. Okay, so that's all for your activity. Thank you.